How to get rid of turkey buzzards. Turkey buzzards can be a true nuisance if they've taken to roosting on the property of homeowners. A family's home and trees can be covered in a whitewash of feces in a matter of days. The good news is that turkey buzzard feces is so strong that it kills many of the bacteria that can be found in other bird feces, so homeowners don't have to worry too much about a health risk from the birds. However, ridding the property of these birds is necessary for aesthetic purposes. Things you will need: firecrackers, string, high-powered sprinkler system, scarecrows. Disturb the comfort of turkey buzzard that are roosting at night in trees by shaking the trees, clapping and shouting directly beneath the trees, and/or by shooting off firecrackers near the trees. If it's legal in your area, place a high-powered sprinkler system that is set on a timer beneath the trees where turkey buzzards are roosting. Hang shiny objects in trees to keep turkey buzzards from returning once they seem to have left trees for good. If the trees are too high, attach shiny helium balloons to strings and tie the strings to low branches. The balloons will rise up into the higher branches and help to deter turkey buzzards from seeking shelter in the trees. Attach taut lines to areas such as towers, peaked roofs and rafters. Place them about 8 inches above the area where the buzzards are perching. This will make it difficult for them to return and land. Erect scarecrows in the areas where turkey buzzards tend to hang out. Tips: warnings. It's not a good idea to kill turkey buzzards. Their dead carcasses can attract other pests such as foxes and coyotes, and they can potentially harm humans.